to come up and play with us. Yes, come on up. What are you doing? What's your name, sir? Other people in back?
Yeah.
The guy who's pointing at someone, I can't see.
He's wearing white.
He's wearing white. Come on up, sir. Yay! What's your name? All right, and your name is?
Alan.
This is Alan. Say hi, Alan.
Hi, Alan.
And who's coming up?
Ty.
Ty. Coming up over here.
Ty.
All right. I'm going to explain the game to you guys as I explain it to the rest of the audience.
Ty. I like
Ty. All right. Test. That's going to be for you. Test. This is going to be for you. Okay. So, here's what's going to happen. Walter and Cris are going to start a scene, and if they ask for a sound in the environment or a sound effect, that's where you're going to provide. So, Ty, you're going to provide for Walter, and Alan, you're going to provide for Cris. So let's practice. Set him up for something.
All right, I'm going to shoot my Tommy gun here.
There it is.
Oh, there it is.
Right. Cris?
That's it. I got a boomerang.
So whenever they require or request the sound effects, or if you just want to throw one in, that's fine too. That's fine too. Okay, these guys, they're getting ready to do something really fun. What are they getting ready to do?
Disneyland.
Let's go with hunting. Let's go with hunting. Getting ready to go hunting, whatever that means to you. Okay. Alan, I'm gonna have you back up just a little bit with that chair. Yeah, I just want to give him a little bit of extra space. Thanks. All right. Hunting is your suggestion. Take it away.
Hey, Johnson. You ready to go on our annual hunting trip? Hello, Johnson.
Not yet, Tommy.
Johnson, what did I tell you? I told you, when we're going on our hunting trip, you got to get your hunting clothes ready.
Oh, Tommy, I brought everything. I brought my jacket. Right here.
It's a very quiet jacket.
If you listen real close, you'll hear little snaps that are already going. All right. After I zip it, it self-buttons. I bought the most expensive jacket I could.
No, you got one of them new jackets that you can like fold up and put into a little pocket, right?
Yeah.
See, now this is a real man's jacket right here. I know. Come on, Johnson.
Tommy, you got me all hot and bothered.
Listen, Johnson, we're out to go hunting, all right?
Okay.
Did you bring your weapon?
Yes, I did.
What did you bring?
Red Rider.
Don't tell me you brought that water gun again. Let me hear it.
Promise you won't make fun of me again.
I promise. Something got a little stopped up in there. Well, wait a second. Now, this is a gun here.